confidently preparing a delicious and, of course, hearty dish from your very own kitchen would be great. Well, here at Asai Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with cottage pie. So let's get started. Let's cook the potatoes. Time to prepare the ground beef filling. (80-20) ground beef works best for this recipe. Let's build the dish. Set your timer for 25 minutes, and as always, ovens do vary. Cottage pie originated in the early 19th century Britain, a hearty working class dish reflecting the modest homes or cottages of the working class where potatoes were a common staple. Cottage pie is typically made with beef, whereas shepherd's pie is prepared with lamb. The Industrial Revolution had a significant impact on how people lived and what they ate. Cottage pie is a very hearty and comforting dish, using common staples such as potatoes, peas, and carrots to minimize any waste. That looks great right out of the oven. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Let's have a bite. Wow, this cottage pie features rich savory ground beef cooked with onions, carrots, peas, and delicious sauce, all topped with creamy buttery mashed potatoes baked to light golden perfection. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like dinner's ready. Stay with us, watch the next videos.